Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide you on resetting Windows 11 by erasing all data. Due to some reason, if you want to reset all the data and settings of Windows 11, for instance, if you want to sell your PC, first, open the Settings app by pressing Windows plus I keys from the keyboard. Alternatively, click on the Start button from the taskbar and then select the Settings gear icon. On the Settings window that appears, select the Windows Update category from the left side pane, and then click on the Advanced Options tab on the right side pane. Next, click on the Recovery option. Click on the Reset PC button next to the Reset This PC option under the Recovery Options section. On the pop-up window that appears after doing the above steps, you will see two options. Keep My Files. Remove Everything. Click on the Remove Everything option. Windows 11 will erase the whole data and settings if you choose this option, and you will get a totally clean OS. That means no traces will be left on your PC. Now, choose how to reinstall Windows. Again, you have two options, Cloud Download and Local Reinstall. Select the option wisely. On the next window, click the Change Settings link. Now, turn the toggle switch to the on position next to the Clean Data option. This option will force Windows 11 to perform deep formatting to prevent data recovery. Click Confirm button. Finally, click on the Next button. Now, wait to reset the PC. It may take several minutes, depending on the speed of your computer. Good luck. See you in the next video.